To all of my fans, followers, and supporters of the fabrication series, I thank you very, very much. But I'm not done yet. Now, this is typically where the average YouTuber will get on the video there and make their special obligatory thank you video and message to all of their fans, followers, and all the rest of that good stuff. Saying, I really appreciate the support along the way and all the rest of that good stuff. But there's only one problem with that. I personally don't feel like it's enough. Well, the simple thank you just doesn't really cut it for me as far as what you guys have done for us. And of course, I know what I do on YouTube here. I know what the rest of the crew does. I know how hard we work. I know what our intentions are, and I know what our goals are, and we are working very hard to achieve those goals. But I'm afraid a simple thank you just isn't going to cut it. I want to give back. I want to give more. I want to give the opportunity for the biggest subscribers, the most hardcore fans of TFS, the greatest supporters, the opportunity to actually win the biggest package that we have ever put together on TFS, the largest giveaway to date, to really show my appreciation. And that prize pack includes this silver play button. Now, in keeping with most of the traditions that most people do on YouTube, or at least most YouTubers do when they receive their award or anything like that, is they usually go through and do something kind of extreme to that award. Some of them just hang it up on the wall and say thanks and all the rest of the stuff, give the obligatory whatever, but I really feel like I need to keep the tradition on the extreme side and do something really unique on this one. So, considering the fact that I've done a lot of welding videos and fabrication is primarily based on welding, not just the cutting and the fixing and grinding and stuff like that, I think since this is mostly aluminum, I'm going to have to weld it. There's only one problem that I kind of have with that. I don't know which machine I'm going to use to do it. Everlast was the first welding company to sponsor the fabrication series. The PowerTig 255 EXT is the first machine I ever picked up from them. Right alongside the PowerTig 210 EXT, it's the first pair of machines I ever reviewed on this channel. It's also the first machine that I would recommend for anybody within that budget or that price range to spend on a machine. It's pretty solid. So naturally, it's the first machine that I'm going to choose to run the first award that I've ever won from YouTube. I think it fits. How many other YouTubers have done that? Now, I'm gonna get set up to show you guys what we're about ready to give away. But first, I got a quick announcement. Okay, look how close to the strip I am. If you look real carefully, you can see the I-15 freeway. Really friggin' close to the strip. Now this is a pretty big day. I'll show you why. Reception area, right? Big ass office with a corner window, but it gets better. Here we go. Yeah! Giant ceilings. Welcome to the new location of the fabrication series in Las Vegas. Yeah! I can't believe it. We're moving. We got a new spot, new location, new stuff, new classes, new services, new everything to offer you guys just because you guys are freaking awesome. So, more on that later. Now, what is the biggest giveaway to date in TFS history? It's all right here. Now, let's start off with the Furyk Grand Prize of the I Love BBW giveaway that is unclaimed. Yes, seriously, unclaimed. And if you're the dude who we announced that, said you won it, you've had a month and a half to claim it. So sorry, it goes on to the next person. But you can certainly try again. Now, this includes the BBW number 16, the number 14 Moose Knuckle, 2 number 12 Fupas, and a number 8 Pro, along with a sticker pack and a snapback, compliments of Michael Furyk from a previous episode. That can all go in there too. I'm also going to throw in some very limited edition TFS slap patches. These are the exact same size of the patch that I wear on my uniform. A couple of those. Now, a fun fact about those, the only way to get those patches is to either come here and see me, meet me somewhere when I have them, or win them in a contest, because we don't give those ones away. Now, we do have a similar one down in the comments if you'd like to purchase one, but this particular one is the exact size, cut, the whole works, to the one that I wear on my uniform. It's a little special, a little extra something for you guys. I'm also going to throw in a sponsor packs, stickers, additional pieces, parts, things that our sponsors give us along the way. Definitely give you some of that good. Now, the button, this silver play button that I just welded, this could be hanging on your wall. Yes, I want to give you this button. If you would like, I can even make it out to you, sign it, do whatever you like along with that. But the biggest of all biggest things that we have here, Everlast Welders has decided to step up and provide a welder for giveaway. It is an MTS 251SI, a multi-process MIG, TIG, and stick welder to help get you guys started. Now, here's the thing. This is not an easy giveaway. This is not a charity. This is not something that the freebies or the freeloaders or the loafers that can just come onto this channel and subscribe just to win some stuff are going to have a real good chance at. This is for the die-hard TFS fans. This is for the hardcore ones that have worked just as much as we have to get to this point, and I want to make sure that you guys give it a good shot and have a really good chance rather than some random giveaway. Here's the deal. There will be 5 official entry codes in order to win this one. You guys got to hunt them and find them and track them down, and then the first person to fill out correctly the official entry form and submit it wins. It's really that simple. But you guys got to go look for them. Now, the first code is right here. Boom. Now everybody has a fair shot, fair chance. Don't say I wasn't nice. Everybody gets one code right there. That's your first entry code. Make sure you take note of it. The second one is going to be on everlastgenerators.com. The official link is in the description below. Somewhere on that website will be that entry code. I'm not telling you where. You got to go find it. It's a treasure hunt, if you will. Now, the third code is going to be in a video. It's going to be in an official TFS video, not on any other channel but the fabrication series. Now, it might be an old video. It might be in a video after this. You got to find it. Now, a little hint for you guys. If you know me well enough, you subscribe, you've been watching for a long time, you probably know exactly where to find that particular code, but that's all I'm going to say. It's going to be in a video. It might be after this, it might be before this, but it's going to be in a video. You got to go out and find it. You want this stuff? Work for it. That's the way it works here. Now, the fourth code will be on Instagram and Facebook. Since we cross-post constantly, if you're following along at Instagram at the.fabricator or facebook.com/thefabricatorseries, links are in the description below to make sure you have the right one. If you are following along on those, you'll see that code. It's going to flash up someday in a flash style giveaway type deal, okay? So it's not not there yet. Not as far as this video is. Like right now, as you're watching on the first day that we posted it, but it's going to be up there sometime. So you need to make sure that you're following along. One of them, both of them, either one of them. That's the way that you do it. You got to follow along. Finally, the fifth and final code will be on the YouTube community tab. So to increase your chances of finding that code when it gets posted up, again, a flash style posting, to increase your chances, you need to subscribe to the Fabrication Series and you need to ring that bell. So if you are already subscribed and you do not ring the bell for post notifications, get your butt down there and ring that bell. Because when we post it up, you're going to want to find it. It might be the last code, I'm just saying, but you're going to want to find it. So make sure you subscribe and you ring that bell, because that's going to increase your chances or your odds of finding that code when we post it up. Now, the important stuff here.
All code words will be posted up by Friday, August 31st, 2018. There will be no code words posted after Friday, August 31st, 2018. The first person to locate, fill out correctly, and submit the official entry form wins the prize. Each code word must appear exactly as it appears in the location that you found it. Grammatical errors, misspellings, or anything related will not be considered for winning. You must be correct. If the winner is outside of the United States, additional shipping charges, customs fees, taxes, duties, import fees, and the related are the responsibility of the winner. If the winner is unable to claim the prize, unable to pay for the prize, declines the prize, or is unable to collect, a new winner will be chosen. The winner will be notified by email response to the official form when submitted. Once a winner is chosen and confirmed, this contest will be concluded. If you do not see the link for the official form below, the contest has been concluded. Please do not request an official entry form link if you do not see one. Only the official form linked below will be considered. Use of private messages, additional emails, or direct messages, or anything related to it, including phone calls or other methods of contact to the Fabrication Series LLC, will not be considered. Any person requesting additional code words before they are posted, or any attempt to gain any additional information from the Fabrication Series LLC will be disqualified. Any additional questions for details or rules regarding this contest can be submitted on the fabricationseries.com website via email on the contact page.
That's going to wrap it up for this one. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down in the comments box below. Also, make sure that you're following along again. Instagram at the.fabricator, facebook.com/thefabricatorseries. You can hit us up on the fabricationseries.com website by email and all the rest of that good stuff. Comments and descriptions and all the rest of the stuff down below. That's pretty much all there is to it. So, no cheating. That's the other one. No friggin' cheating. I hate cheaters. If I catch anybody cheating or doing anything or anything like that, you're disqualified. Pretty simple. So, yeah, either way. That's going to wrap it up for this one. I want to thank you guys for watching as always, and thank you once again very much for the 100,000 subscribers. Good luck to everybody. I'll see you on the next episode. You know, a lot of people ask what the hardest part of running TFS is. This is it. These friggin' studio lights and this set and all the friggin' noise that goes on throughout the day, this is the hardest part, dealing with all of that stuff and getting videos made. But that's why we get the new shop that's a lot quieter. Either way, for those of you who stuck around this long, this is the real YouTube 100,000 subscriber play button. Very hard to see, but you know, I wouldn't be a very good fabricator if I didn't first convince you that the other one was real too. But either way, we got it. It's because of you. I thank you very much for that one, and I'll see you around.